You clicked on this video because you are curious about what niche this video is about. The niche is about ocean. Yes, you heard me correct. This niche is about ocean related fact. Ocean is a mysterious place and also space. And previously I also uploaded a video about space related facts. You can check that one out after watching this video. People love to watch fact videos, and when it's something about that they don't exactly know what's in it, people tend to engage, and the overall performance of the videos skyrockets. There is no tutorial I have found on YouTube that shows this niche. So you are entering an unsaturated niche and have the chance to blow up your views and everything. We'll edit it extremely good that it will be monetizable. We'll post these videos in 3 ways. We'll post these videos on YouTube, TikTok and even Instagram. In this video you'll get a full guide on everything, to make sure to watch the whole video. Here is what I made in this tutorial so you'll have a clear idea, and let's begin.
Ever heard of the shape-shifting octopus? They're ocean geniuses that can change color and texture in the blink of an eye, making them the ultimate escape artists.
Step 1. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate the facts about the ocean. So come to ChatGPT and create a free account. You don't need to buy the premium version. After you sign in, paste this prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the description. You can simply just copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. If you wanna, you can edit the prompt yourself a little bit, but if you don't want to edit it, it's absolutely fine. So if you got the prompt in ChatGPT, just click the send button and look how ChatGPT does its magic. If you're happy with the results, now you can start step 2. Come to 11 Labs. This is the best AI voice generator out there at the moment. So come here and paste the facts we generated with ChatGPT. Choose a suitable voice and click generate. Hear the audio so you'll know if there are any errors or not. And if you're happy with the audio, just download it like I did. Step 3. Now you need to get copyright-free background. So I have 2 websites that will give you stock videos for copyright-free backgrounds, and you don't need to pay for them. First website is Pixabay and second website is Pexel. Both of these websites are completely free, so you can just simply download any of the videos from these 2 websites. So for this video I'll use Pexel. So come to their website and type beautiful ocean background. You can see it will display many results. Now carefully choose one that you like the most. I'll say you don't need to get more than 2 or 3 backgrounds because we will only add 2 or 3 facts. So 2 or 3 backgrounds are the best options here. Step 4. Now we'll do the editing. So come to CapCut. It's available both on mobile and PC. CapCut is extremely easy to use and it's free. So come to CapCut and create a new project and drop your videos and voiceover like this. Now you need to cut the audio's empty parts like this, so there are no gaps between the voices. Cut the video 4 to 6 seconds each, depending on your voiceover. So it's good to change the clip often for more engagement. If you're happy, now come to clip animation and come to combos, and now add any animations you like. I'll use zoom 1 throughout the video. Then come to transitions between the clips and add whatever transition fits. I'll use black fade. It gives a good look. If you're happy with that and done with that, now come to text and add auto caption. This will add captions to your videos so you don't need to add them manually. Choose a good animation and font. Now come to styles and add this glow effect and play around with the intensity until you're happy. If you're happy with the captions, we need background music. CapCut's this music library musics are copyright free. So come here and search creepy intense music and add one you like, and you're done. Lower the volume and adjust the music you want it to be. Export it to 1080p. And if you're done with the editing, now we'll talk about how to post these videos. Since these videos are pure original, YouTube shouldn't have any issues monetizing your channel. But if you still feel like that there are not enough editing value and you don't want to waste your time, so I'll tell you to create 3 accounts. 1 Instagram account, 1 TikTok account and 1 YouTube channel. You'll post the same videos on 3 of the platforms. After you do that, you'll have a chance to monetize 3 of the accounts at the same time. If you are having issues with the TikTok creativity program eligibility because it is not available in your country, if you're not from the USA, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Korea or Japan, TikTok creativity program is not eligible for your country. But don't worry, there are ways to buy an US TikTok account. You can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I won't show that in today's video. But these contents are pure original and well edited. Every time change the background and the facts so it will be pure original every time. You shouldn't have any issues monetizing your channel because it's well edited. And that's all I got for today. If you got any questions in your mind, make sure to ask it in the comments. I'll surely help you. That's all. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.